Hi, this is Jay Krishna Miriam. I built a project called StoneAgeOS in this hackathon. So this is a theme-oriented, futuristic caveman. Based on that theme, I think a lot and come up with an idea where, like, when the even this happens on the modern worlds also. If a person goes to the new area, yeah, that will be not his own cave. So in that cave he need to survive for that. So when the person goes for a new location, he search for the food, he struggle to search for the food or any other places he needed. So I came up with this tool where using the start plan he will come to these options. So he will find these basic things. Other than this, he can also explain in this additional context section. So for example, let me give you an example. So a person can use the auto detect as well to grab the current location of his. And let me do some other examples like Kent State University. Kent State University, I choose that. Yeah, it will go through the validations, and if it turns into red, that's not a good location. That's a wrong location. Like it can't grab from the APIs. So choose the other one. So I will choose some random thing. So Iceland. See, let's see the Iceland. Okay, this might work. It will turn into green if it validations works. So and the next is a budget where the person wanted to spend off. I'm hitting at $10. So and the time we had to explore all those. I will leave it default, and this is the energy levels of a mobile. It helps the LLM to think like how urgency he had of that. So he can choose the food, shelter, or whatever he needs, charging spots or all. And there is also an option I added here. He can explain more specific, like if you need a vegetarian only, he can specify here. So it will grab the results according to that. If you want to add extra context, you can use this box. So after reviewing all this summary, he can hit the generate survival plan. So when we hit the generate plan, uh, uh, it takes a time to load. Meanwhile, I will explain the what's the backend. Oh, it came really quick. So see, you can see the best place it shows for visit here according to your requirements. So you can hit the grab directions for the location here. See, so you can use that. This is the small brief description about this. This is a technical overview. We can go to the full details where it will come up with the four locations of each category you choose, each priority you choose. So you can use all of them, and you can choose all of best one that suits for you. So this is what I made. It looks pretty simple, but it deals with a lot of technicalities. um, so when we hit the grab button, I forgot to tell you one more thing. There is a history option where the entries will be recorded and saved into the MongoDB on a cloud. It uses the API calls to do that all, and it stores in that MongoDB, and it grabs here using the get method. It displays here. Okay, either you can search. It's a dynamic search bar. You can search anyone, um, you can list you can find the list from this section. Okay, that's it. If you type any grab, so there is no match, it will show like that. So this is what I made. So let me explain this backend thing. When you hit the this button, so what happens is this all collected data will go to the API, which is a Google API. It grabs the information related to that nearest location and all, and it after collecting the data from the API, Google Places API, it will send it to this uh, what called the Gemini API to run the uh, to make the content like this, like what the results. Let me show, to turn the results into this kind of like this. So I use the LLM to do those all. So and um, going to the UI thing, I use the best and user experience, and I use user experience to have a user experience. I spend a lot of time on this and use the best UI components and the designs for this. So here is what I built for you. I hope you guys understand and like my project. Thank you.